Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to Dirt Bike Channel. I'm your host Kyle Brotherson. Today I want to show you the coolest ramp that I have ever used. Stick around. Every week I get companies reaching out to me asking if they'll review this product or that product, and frankly I say no to 98% of those products because it's just not something that I'm interested in. The only things that I want to bring to you here on Dirt Bike Channel are things that I'm interested in using and things that are quality products. That doesn't mean that every product is perfect that I show you, but it means that these are things that I like and I use, and this ramp is one of those things. When the guys from Step Ramp reached out to me and said, hey, would you like to review this product? I took a look at some of their promotional materials and I'm going, heck yes, this sounds like an awesome thing. Because I hate the really skinny dirt bike ramps that are only maybe 6 or 8 or 12 inches wide. I've got a few different ramps, and for the last several years I've been using an ATV ramp because I like to be able to have a wide enough section to come up. This ramp actually is so perfect because it's got steps on one side of it. You'll see as I cut into some of these different cutaways, you can walk up and down these steps even when you have boots on. Today I didn't have boots out in the truck, but I've used this last week a bit with boots, and it is the easiest ramp to walk up and down that I have ever personally used. And they've thought of a bunch of things. Now, before I get too far into this, if you want to purchase one of these ramps, please use the promo code Kyle, K-Y-L-E. I've got that down here in the bottom here. That helps them know that I sent them to you. This is not a paid review in any way. I'm just so excited about this product. I said, hey, let me help you move a couple of these ramps. So if you use my promo code Kyle, that helps support my family. And as crazy as this sounds, this is how I'm trying to support my family. So it's not a paid review, it's just something I'm super excited about. They've done a lot of cool things with this. They've got obviously the tie down to hook this to your truck so it doesn't fall off. And one of the things I like that they did about that is they left this so it can move from side to side, so you can line that up with whatever you're hooking it to down on your truck. So you can get a straight, good pull on that. They've got a really nice handle on this. As you can see, they've put a little rubber hook on this, and then you can lift the thing around with this handle. It's very convenient. It is the nicest ramp that I have ever used, and I'm so excited about this. Now, some people might say, well, hey, is it going to fit my truck? This ramp is 6 feet long, 72 inches. And it's designed to accommodate truck beds anywhere from 30 inches up to about 42 inches. This truck is an F-150, 2018 F-150 that I've got a 4-inch lift on, and the truck, the tailgate height is 42 inches, and this actually works really well. If you're higher than 42 inches, you might want to wait till later in the summer. They're hopefully going to make a ramp that's a little bit longer for some of you guys that have the 6-inch lifts or something like that. This has 35-inch tires and a 4-inch lift, and so it's 42 inches off the ground. And this is actually really good. It's better than some of the ramps that I've used in the past. It's better than my old ramp because it's a little bit longer. So this is a fantastic ramp that is really well made, and I just love this thing. Really well built, well thought out. They did a lot of things right. There's nothing really that I can say that they could improve on. They even have little gripper things here up in the top of the ramp, so it grips the back of your truck bed really well. So 3 hinges on this thing that are nice and bolted in. Everything's welded really nice. It's made out of aluminum, so it's not super heavy, but it's also not a rinky-dink ramp like some of those other ramps out there. This thing is built to last. This thing will last as long as I'm riding dirt bikes, I'm sure of it. So this is now, bar none, the favorite ramp that I have ever used. Other things, as far as the side of the stairs that they're on, if they get enough requests for stairs on the opposite side, they might do that as well. It was something that I'm a little bit more comfortable actually loading the bike from this side, standing like this way. I can do it either way, but most of their market research said that the steps needed to be on the left-hand side of the ramp. So this is the standard configuration that you'll be able to get on their site. But it's possible in the future, if they get a lot of requests, they might make a limited number of ramps where the steps would be on this side. You know, so just something to take into consideration. But this is literally the perfect setup. You've probably seen me walk up and down it. I'll walk up and down it again right now, and I don't even have it hooked. I should have it hooked so I don't rip my ACL up again. It's a very good idea to have the safety strap or security strap or whatever you want to say, the tie down, hooked up to your truck hitch in order to make sure that you don't fall off this and it doesn't fall down. So that's obviously something that you're going to want to do when you're loading and unloading the bike. But I think that this just makes loading and unloading so much safer and so much simpler with these really, really nice steps that have high grip on them. They've done a really nice job on that. I just can't say enough good about this particular ramp. The pricing is down in the description. I have links down in the description. Everything that you need is all there. And I'm just so excited about this product. It's one of those things that I've been waiting for a long time. I can't believe we haven't had a ramp like this. And maybe they're out there and I just missed them. But this ramp is awesome. I love this thing. So make sure if you do decide to get one of these awesome ramps, use the promo code Kyle. That lets them know that you're watching this video, and it lets them know that I helped kind of expose you to this, and they give me some credit for that, and that's one of the ways that I'm supporting my family. So that's one of the ways you can support Dirt Bike Channel. Other ways you can support Dirt Bike Channel are by going to Patreon. You can leave a monthly tip amount there. You can also use the links for Rocky Mountain ATV Rocky Mountain ATV and MC.com and Motorsport and Amazon. I have all those links over on my website. I have links to other products that I use. So I just wanted to thank you guys for watching this, and this is a really cool ramp, and if you're in the market for one, please take a look at this one. This is amazing.